Hey everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make pizza in a frying pan. If you have a camping stove or a portable stove, it can be a perfect emergency food idea. Of course, you can make it anytime. I hope you find this recipe helpful. It's been already 12 years since I started YouTube. I am actually busy with my kids for a few years since they started kindergarten, but now my son is going to graduate from kindergarten and he's going to elementary school, which means they can go to school on their own. I don't have to ride a bike anymore. Of course, I have to take them to the outside activities, but anyway, I'm sharing with you this idea because many of you know that I started my YouTube channel because of the 311 earthquake. If you want to know why I started my YouTube channel, I will put the link in the description box, so please check it out. I've been talking and writing about it for many times. Anyway, this pizza idea is a great emergency food or camping food idea, so I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. I'm using pizza crust mix. I bought it online. I think it's a great emergency food to stockpile just in case. In a plastic bag or Ziploc bag, put pizza crust mix and water. Mix well for a minute. Using a plastic bag will save dishwashing at the time of disaster, or even at camping. Cut and open the bag. Divide the dough into 2 pieces and quickly form them into balls. Cover with the bag you just opened and rest for 5 minutes. Line 10-inch frying pan with parchment paper to save dishwashing and stretch the dough into a large thin circle. Spread about 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce on one pizza. Place the toppings of your choice. And sprinkle with cheese. Cover and cook on low for 10 minutes until the bottom of the crust is golden. And now it's done!
これはライオンのひげ、チーズいっぱいピザです。
Thank you very much for watching my channel for 12 years. It means a lot. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you in the next video.
いただきます。卵入りパリパリ。っていうの美味しいですか？食べれるようなトッピングをした。ここら辺をね。
はい。
ピザをこれね、出来終わるとき外したら皆さんもびっくりするのでやってみてください。答えを教えてあげます。油もつかないし。
ねえねえ、コソコソじゃなくていいから、ちゃんとはっきり。
紙を敷いたらベタベタにならなくて綺麗に出来上がります。フライパンを洗わなくて済みます。皆さんもぜひ作らないでみてください。
ちょっとごめん、テイク2。はい。
皆さんもぜひ作ってみてください。チャンネル登録お願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。バイバイ。書き途中なんだけどそれ。100万人お願いします。バイバイ。美味しいでしょこうっていうの。美味しい。